Barbie Fortes update dyan sa finale viewing party ay magkatabi pa nga ang mag-BFF na sila Alden at Barbie habang pinapanood ng finale episode ng Pulang Araw. Ayan, nag-advance birthday pa nga si Alden at siya pa nga ni Barbie. Ayan, mga kaganapan dyan sa finale viewing party. Ayan, ito pang interview kay Barbie.
This is a project na maikukwento ko sa future family ko, na I'm very proud that I was part of this project and that it will leave a very big impact to our younger generations today. And I'm so happy dahil maganda naming nasimulan, napakaganda naming tinapos ang proyekto.
You know, tapos ito yung behind the scene ng finale episode ng Pulang Araw, you know, episode 110. Ayan, nakita-kita na ang apat. Ayan, sila Adelina, Hiroshi, Eduardo, Teresita, kasama si Juan. You know, happy family. Yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram, seal ka na endorsement niya. And sabi ni Barbie, I never have to worry about staying lit this holiday season dahil always slayable and giving a skin ko with Silka Papaya Lotion. Dapat kayo rin, you know. Ganda ni Barbie, ang ganda ng house ni Barbie. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.